Oh, someone's unhappy now. Remember when you were happy just 2 seconds ago? Remember that? Oh goodness.
Hi, Mama.
Oh,
Look at her sitting up on the big pillow.
yeah.
She's a big girl.
She's
4 weeks old
She was
today.
doing a pirate face.
Yeah, she likes to keep that one eye closed.
Oh.
Give me the one eye.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Enough of the paparazzi, she says.
Go ahead, Mom. You take a picture.
Oh, there we go.
Little Layla's 4 weeks old today.
Make a smiley face.
There's Grandpa. Oop. Having a nice lunch over there.
Okay. The paparazzo. Oh, here.
Oh,
No,
yes.
it's all right. Make her happy. Don't worry about it.
Layla, say hi to the cameras. Oh. Good girl.
You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I